was just driving through town and I noticed there's some galahs on the footpath. Thought I'd pull over and see if I can grab them on camera for you. Let's have a look. There we go, tiny little bit of footage of some nice pink and grey galahs on the footpath in town. Cheers. I've just dropped our second oldest son in at work in the little township. I thought while I was here I might grab some branches off the trees near the park for the goats at home, because it's so dry at home, all the grass is dead everywhere, and I just thought I'd give them a bit of greenery. I know they love these tipiwana branches off this tree because we've got some at home. But the ones at home are getting a little bit bare now. I've been giving them branches off them for weeks, so I'll just stop here and I'll grab a couple of branches. Here we go. A little snack for the two goats at home. I'll give that to them when I get back. If anyone hasn't met Billy and Sally before, Billy we've had since he was a tiny little baby. We bottle fed him, and Sally we got a bit later on for him for company. Billy's an Australian miniature goat. So he's full grown now. He's not going to get any bigger than that, only a little fella. And Sally's not much bigger at all either. She's a smaller breed too. Hey Billy boy. Hey Sally. Hey Sally girl. Good girl. Hey Billy boy. Hey Billy. There we go, Billy. That's a boy. They really love those leaves off the tipiwana tree. They'd eat them all day long if I gave them to them. So that's a nice good feed for them now. Give them a bit of greenery, seeing as how the grass has been a bit brown. They'll be happy with that. And later on today I'll give them a bit of grain. I'll let the chooks out for a run around too now that I'm home. I'll let them out their pen. Watch them take off when I open the door. Ready, set, go. Diesel, out the way. This is the chook pen up the back corner, or the chicken coop. I'll just have a look if they got any eggs for me yet. Ah, there's one laying right now. Hey, you finished laying, girl? You finished laying? Hey, you laying an egg for me? Oh, oh. Hey, there's 3 eggs in there. And looks like she's still laying one. So I'll leave her in there and I'll have to come up for that one later on. See you, darling. See you, Chooky Chook. 3 beautiful fresh eggs. And I'll be up for yours later on, eh? Good girl. Hey, you good girl. Laying an egg for us. Awesome. We got 3 eggs already out the chook pen. Let them out. They usually run around just free range all day. So I'll let them out after they've laid a few eggs. And they stay out for most of the day and then just go back in the afternoon. There's the hens, the ducks, and Pretty Girl's there too, the female peacock. Hey, Pretty Girl. Hey, Pretty Girl. And there's Jessie. Hello, Jessie. My darling Jessie. She's about 8-year-old now. Jess is my cattle dog, or blue heeler. Hey, Jess. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Oh, there's a belly rub. Hey, you're getting a belly rub. You're a good girl. I'm going to head back inside now. Thanks for joining me, collecting eggs, getting some leaves for the goats to eat and taking the boy in, and we even got to see some galahs. Alright, cheers everyone. Have a fantastic day, night, whatever it is for yous, and take time for the simple joys. Bye.